Hello friends, so in this video we are going to understand what is a pointer variable or what is a pointer. So a pointer is a variable which stores the address of another variable. So we are going to see first how you can define a pointer. So to define a pointer, what you have to do is you have to use this asterisk symbol. So this indicates that whichever variable comes after this is a pointer variable. So then the name of the variable, that is pointer, that is I'm going to say the name as ptr, and for before the asterisk symbol we have to define which type of pointer it is. So if this was asterisk ptr, that is pointer ptr, is going to store the address of integer type of variable, then it should be having a type of int. So as of now I'm going to store the address of this var variable, so I'm going to type it as integer pointer. So when we read this, you have to say that this is a pointer of integer type of variable. So how you can store the address of this variable var into this pointer is there are two ways. That is, after definition you can initialize it by using this method, that is ptr equal to, and how we can access the address of this variable is by using this ampersand sign, that is this sign, and then you have to name the variable, that is add ampersand var, and this ampersand var is going to be the address of the variable var which will be stored in this pointer ptr. So if you print this using printf statement, that is we have to print this pointer using %p, and when you print this ptr, that is using printf, and when you print this address of variable using the same %p, and we are just going to print here the add ampersand var, and when you save it, just compile it, and if you run this you will see that both of these addresses are same. As I've not given here /n, you will see that though both of these statements are attached, but you will see that both of these number, this first number and this second number, both of these are same, and those are the addresses of that variable. So what happens here is this variable is stored in the data section of the program memory, and that we are accessing the address of that variable, we are accessing using this ampersand sign. So the second method how you can store the address of one variable into the pointer is you have to initialize on that point itself. So that you can do by using the pointer, that is address, that I'm going to do on the line after this. So I'm going to take one more pointer of integer type, as we are storing the address of var, and I'm going to name this as pointer 2 ptr2, and I'm going to give the address of that variable on that line itself where I've defined the pointer. So when I say here /n, and when I print this ptr2 here, and if I print this ptr2 on the second printf, you will see that all the three of this printf statement are pointing to the same address. So if I compile this again and if I print it, you will see that all the three numbers are same, that is ending with 0 1 0, and if you match all the numbers, then all the numbers will be same. So as I've said earlier, that this integer pointer is pointing to an integer variable, that's why the type is int. Let's suppose you have some character here, that is char, the name of the variable is ch, and if it is pointing to a character a, and if you want to store the address of the ch in some pointer, then you should have a character type of pointer, that is character pt, some name chptr, and then it is going to store the address of ch. And if you print the same thing here, that is chptr and address of chptr, and if you print the address of ch here, address of ch, then you will notice that both of these addresses will be same as we are printing the address of that character variable. So you will notice that these two addresses are same as these two pointers, that is the pointer chptr and address of ch are pointing to the same variable. So let's say you have to access one of the variable using a pointer, then how you can access it, how you can print the value of that pointer, that is this will be pointing, this ptr is pointing to the address of this variable, but we have to print the value at which it is pointing. So the value, the how we can access a value is using the same asterisk sign, that is the star sign. So let's say I have to print the value pointed by this pointer ptr, so I have to print the value of this pointer. So what I can do is I have to use this asterisk sign again and then use ptr and just give semicolon here. So I have to say the value of pointer ptr is this %d. So when I save it and if I run this, compile this, I'm going to give one more clear command here. I'm going to compile it, and if I say run, then you will see the value at pointer ptr is 5. Here you will see the value at pointer ptr is 5. I have not given one slash in there, that's why the printfs are combining and you are getting confused because of that. So I'm going to just give one slash in here, and if I give slash in here and if I compile it again and if I run it, you will see the value of the that pointer is 5, but we were not printing the variable 5, but we are accessing the variable through the pointer. So you will see that if I add one more printf statement here and if I print the variable using the variable itself, that value of var, and I'm also going to print the address of var here, so you will notice the difference, what is the difference and what is the similarity between the pointer and variable. So here also I'm going to print the %p and here the ptr address. Here I'm going to print the address and here also I'm going to print the address. So you will see that what is there by yourself. So when I compile it and when I run it, you will see that the value of variable is 5 and address of the variable is this, and the value of pointer ptr is 5 as it is pointing to the variable var, and the address of that ptr is this. So you will see that ptr pointer is pointing to the address of this variable, as we are storing the var, address of var into this ptr. So this is the basics about pointer. So you will notice by this program you can do the same thing for this character ch also. So this is the basics of pointer.